Let's solve the problem number 7. We first write the Lagrangian. After writing the Lagrangian, we will write the Lagrange equation of motion. See here, this is the Lagrange equation of motion. Now I remove the parentheses to expand the Lagrangian, and now I find these partial derivatives. You see how I got them. The partial derivative of Lagrangian with respect to r dot, and now I find the partial derivative of the Lagrangian with respect to r, and then I insert the results into Lagrange equation of motion. Here I insert the results of partial derivatives into the Lagrange equation of motion. And then I work out the d over dt, remove parentheses here, and then we find these derivatives. Remember the potential energy, I factor out mu, and now I write the result. Here the next challenge is to find r double dot. Finding this r double dot and insert it here. For finding r dot, we introduce a new variable u. Now we differentiate numerator and denominator with respect to time. Remember the conservation of the angular momentum. And now I find the first derivative with respect to d theta. This is the first step to find r double dot. Now we are going to find the second derivative of u, the new variable, with respect to d theta. These are the second derivative. You see, the second derivative of the new variable u with respect to theta. In this expression, you see appear the r double dot. You see, r double dot. Now we solve for r double dot. Solving for r double dot, you see, we solved for r double dot. And now remember, we are going to reinsert the value of r double dot into our expression above. You see, insert the value of r double dot here, and remember the conservation of angular momentum. We square it, they cancel out. Now we factor out these variables and factor out the minus sign here. Remember the use substitution, and now the required differential equation of the orbit using use substitution as required in our problem. Notice that this problem was to find the derivation of the differential equation of motion. Thank you for watching. This is the result as required.